The World Trade Center, WTC, is a prominent complex of buildings located in Lower Manhattan, New York City. The original complex was best known for its twin towers, which were completed in 1973 and became iconic symbols of global trade and finance. These towers were among the tallest buildings in the world and were a defining feature of New York City's skyline. Tragically, on September 11, 2001, the Twin Towers were destroyed in a terrorist attack that resulted in the loss of nearly 3,000 lives. This event had a significant impact on the world, leading to major changes in global security and international relations. Following the attack, the World Trade Center site was redeveloped with new buildings, including the One World Trade Center, also known as the Freedom Tower, which is now the tallest building in the Western Hemisphere. The site also includes a memorial and museum to honor the victims of the 9/11 attacks. Today, the World Trade Center stands as a symbol of resilience, rebirth, and a vibrant hub for commerce, culture, and remembrance.